Welcome to the world of Palo Alto firewalls. These are not just any firewalls. They are next-gen beasts built for advanced security. They don't just look at IPs and ports. They analyze applications, users, and threats with laser focus. Think of it as a security guard who actually knows who's allowed in, not just checking ID at random. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Network troubleshooting is like detective work. You find issues before they cause chaos. Whether it's lag, a sudden disconnect, or mysterious traffic patterns, analyzing the network helps prevent disaster before users start panicking. Think of it as a superhero who saves the day before the villain even strikes. Ping is your instant reality check, like tapping your microphone to see if it's working. In Palo Alto, ping helps confirm if devices are talking to each other, if firewall rules are behaving, and if your network is alive. Simple yet powerful, like asking, "Can you hear me now?" Except for machines. Pinging from the Palo Alto GUI is like sending a digital echo. It tells you what's out there and whether your message gets through. First, hop into the GUI, find the troubleshooting tools, and pick ping. Then, just input the source and destination IPs and watch the magic happen. No secret handshakes, just good old-fashioned networking wizardry. All right, folks, let's talk about executing the ping test. It's like knocking on the door of another computer and waiting for a response. First, fire up your command prompt or terminal. Next, type ping followed by your target IP or domain. Hit enter, and boom, you're sending tiny packets on an adventurous journey. Finally, watch those responses roll in like texts from a friend, confirming they got your message. Now that we've launched our ping test, let's decode the results. The response times tell us how fast the target is replying. Think of it as the speed of a text message. Sent and received packets, that's just making sure all your messages arrived safely. Lost packets, though, are like texts that vanish into the void. And TTL, that's how long your message survives before it gives up. Basically, it's your ping test's life expectancy. Ever sent a message and waited forever for a reply? That's high latency. If packets go missing, your network's having an identity crisis. Low latency, that's smooth sailing. Your internet's in top form. But if packet loss keeps happening, it's time to troubleshoot. Maybe the cables are tired, or your router needs a pep talk. Troubleshooting ping issues is like figuring out why your coffee machine won't work. Network congestion, too many devices fighting for bandwidth. Firewalls, they are the strict security guards blocking your requests. Incorrect IP, that's like sending mail to the wrong address. And hardware problems, well, sometimes routers just need a power nap. Welcome to advanced ping options, because regular pinging is just too mainstream. T lets you keep pinging endlessly, perfect for making sure a network doesn't ghost you. N limits how many packets you send. L changes packet size, because sometimes small messages need to be louder. And W, that's the timeout. You decide how patient your ping test should be. Ping tests aren't just fun and games. Security matters. Avoid pinging sensitive servers unless you enjoy being flagged. Make sure your firewall isn't overprotective. Keep unauthorized users from sneaking into your network via ping. Yes, it happens. And always monitor for suspicious behavior, because no one likes unexpected guests. Network diagnostics are like regular health checkups. Stay ahead of problems. Ping testing isn't a one-time deal. It's a habit. Analyzing trends over time helps you spot patterns. Don't just rely on ping. Mix in other tools like traceroute and speed tests, and document findings like a detective. It'll save you later. And there we have it. Ping testing demystified. It helps you check network health, read results like a pro, troubleshoot issues, and follow best practices for smooth sailing. In short, ping is small but mighty, just like a great espresso shot. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.